Hello students, myself Dr. Maddineni Srinivas and this is the skin MCQ of the day. Which of the following option is correct about the function of desmosomes in the skin? If you have marked option C as the answer, you are absolutely right. Desmosomes help in connecting the keratinocytes with one another in the epidermis. So please remember friends, desmosomes, these green structures which you are able to see, they are the desmosomes and these are the layers in the epidermis: stratum corneum, stratum granulosum, stratum spinosum and stratum basal. So the green structures which are helping in connecting the keratinocytes with each other are the desmosomes, and you can define desmosomes as intraepidermal intercellular, that is they are helping in connecting the keratinocytes which are adjacent to each other. So intercellular keratinocyte bridges. And if you notice option D, it is actually hemidesmosomes which help in connecting cells of the epidermis with the cells of the dermis in the dermoepidermal junction. So option D is talking about hemidesmosomes. So that was about today's MCQ, and one more question I want to ask you: in which of the following diseases does desmosomes have antibodies in dermatology? Please leave your answer in the comment section. And this is tomorrow's MCQ number 522. During your rounds in the neonatal ward, you see a 2-week-old neonate with the following skin finding. It is a disorder of which of the following glands? And these are the small tiny fluid like lesions which you are able to see. Please leave your answer in the comment section for this question also. Thank you so much. Happy learning dermatology. Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanam. Sarve Jana Sukhino Bhavantu.